Now let's go ahead and add what everybody's been waiting for. Let's look at how we add indicators. On MetaTrader 4, you'll see that you will have a button very similar to this one, except when you hover your mouse over, it'll say Add Indicator. On MetaTrader 5, we need to go to Insert, Indicators, and then you'll see we have our indicators listed here. We have our trend-based indicators, oscillators, volume-based, Bill-Williams, and some custom indicators as well. By default, you should have quite a few installed. You can go ahead and keep going down and you'll see that there's more and more of them. Just for an example now, we're going to go ahead and we're going to add a trend-based indicator. I'm going to choose moving average. You don't need to follow along again. We will be spending more time on moving averages very soon. For now, I'm just going to go ahead and add the default moving average, and you'll see that it's added this across here. Now this is our moving average indicator. These other things that we've added to the chart are all considered objects. The key difference between an object and an indicator is an object is something we place on the chart just as a reference point. It's a static thing. It will not change. Whereas an indicator will automatically adjust depending on the price. So now we want to clean up our chart. We want to get rid of all of these different objects that we put on there. What we can do is we go to Charts, Objects, and load Objects List. And here we will see a list of all the different objects that we've put down. You can click and drag this window to make it a bit bigger, and that way you can see more what you've got in here. And you could say, well, I want to get rid of, say, this equidistant channel. You select it and click Delete, and it'll remove the equidistant channel from the chart. If I want to get rid of, say, these vertical lines, you just select and delete. You can just keep hitting delete if you'd like, and that'll get rid of everything known as an object. But you'll see that our indicator is still here. If you want to get rid of the indicator, you can go to Charts, Indicator List instead of Objects List. We're doing Indicator List. And here it'll be listing the different indicators we have in. You select the one you want to get rid of and click delete. There is another way to get rid of objects. Let's say we have a few objects here and we've got them all locked into place, and we decide, well, we don't need this line anymore. You can double click on it and then press delete on your keyboard. I can go ahead and double click on that and click delete, and it'll erase any of the ones that you can move, that you can edit. So make sure you've locked the ones into place that you want to keep, and all the others will be removed.